Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 20th, 2023. We're going to talk about Justin Sun today and his apparent attempt to go through and try to buy Credit Suisse, which is asinine. Everyone knew that Credit Suisse would not take him serious of actually purchasing a financial institution that uses fiat currency as his main form of transactions while he's in the cryptocurrency camp. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to look at this price prediction right here, which is before you, I was looking for the price and trying to go higher from my last video, and you guys can see what price has done today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the article right here though. Okay, so apparently this article came out yesterday when UBS was going to try to go through and bid for Credit Suisse. You guys can see that they completed the deal for $3.2 billion. Now they tried to list this title as if Justin Sun was in the running to actually purchase Credit Suisse, which is asinine, which is crazy. Now going down, you guys can see it right here. He made a crypto proposal. Okay, crypto proposal. Take a look at the tweet right here. Here it is. Okay, this is the tweet that Justin did in regards to his offer to purchase Credit Suisse. UPS bid for Credit Suisse falls short. I would like to propose my own offer of $1.5 billion to acquire Credit Suisse and integrate it into the Web 3.0 world. Switzerland has been one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world. My vision for the future of finance involves embracing the potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. By integrating Credit Suisse into a crypto-friendly financial institution, we can pave the way for a more innovative and decentralized financial system. Now understand, Justin is literally trying to dismantle the old way of doing banking. Credit Suisse is on that side. Credit Suisse, the banking system, they deal with fiat currency. Justin Sun is actually trying to knock that old system down and build a new one. So why would you expect your opponent to actually take you up on your offer? That would even be more detrimental than Credit Suisse being bought out by another old fiat financial institution or bank. If Credit Suisse would have taken up on Justin's offer, that would legitimize cryptocurrencies. Do you not realize that? Like, the only way that cryptocurrency will become more widespread and used more often than it is today than fiat currency is when fiat currency completely dies on their own. They're not just going to willingly come to a cryptocurrency and say, yes, you guys can buy out this, especially Credit Suisse. Credit Suisse is one of the biggest global banking institutions in the world. So I think that Justin just utilized this as an opportunity to stay relevant, to make sure he stays in front of cryptocurrencies and the impending disaster that's currently ongoing in the financial markets. That's it. There's no way that Credit Suisse even looked at Justin Sun's offer proposal. So that's it. This is my thinking process. I think he just used this as this Credit Suisse UBS deal as just an opportunity for him to try to clickbait, try to throw up his name, try to act like he's still relevant within banking, because Justin Sun really hasn't been talked about much in the cryptocurrency space. It's all about Bitcoin. That's the safe haven. Now let's talk about this price prediction though. So I did a price prediction in Tron going all the way back on the 15th of February, right? And you guys can see that I've been playing the strength into the market in Tron, looking for the price to go up. So we can say that since the 15th of February, that, like I talked about on that particular video, that right here is where that area of selling is at 0.07. So like 0.072 cents. And I identified that. I told you that that was a price target, and the market in Tron actually came there on the 20th. So 5 days into the price prediction, Tron came there. And since that point, right here to where I told you the sellers were at, take a look, the market in Tron fell off. It's not a surprise that that happened. This is the reason why Tron fell off following the 20th of February. It's because this is where the sellers came in. Okay, so let's talk about it though, because I really want us to know if Tron still has the potential, probability to go higher. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about it, because obviously the market in Tron is no longer trending. Okay, the trend that we've identified is broken. Okay, so we're not bullish into the market in Tron right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this up. We're going to follow the market here in Tron in the direction in which it wants to trade. And we can see that it wants to, obviously the market went all the way down here. I think this is just some reverberations from the doubt, the fear that came through the financial markets. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift this up though to this particular area for support in Tron. Okay, so what we're looking at so far in Tron is simply the currency trading sideways. Okay, it's going to be our focus right there. Now, the idea that I want us to think about is how strong is the market in Tron? Because since we saw price got rejected right there around 0.072, it's not that strong. So we're going to have to reduce how high we suspect Tron is going to move. That's it. Until we see the buyers take out this 0.072. Okay, so if I'm going to be bullish in Tron, it's just going to be within these two lines to trade sideways. Let's look at this on the weekly chart first. Okay, so I'm zooming on the weekly chart, and currently, given the volatility that occurred the 2 weeks here, all this volume from the last 2 weeks, we can tell that buyers came in the market. Okay, so that's cool. It tells us that this market in Tron is not overwhelmingly weak, because the selling that came in on the week of March the 6th, the buyers came through, because the last completed weekly price bar, we can see the market in Tron closed higher. Now, we did close off of the highs last week though, so that still tells me that sellers are in the market in Tron. Cool, we get it. That's why I'm trying to really show you that this particular market right now, the environment is not too bullish. It's not massively strong right now. Okay, now check this out though. You see that? From the weekly chart, Tron is bullish. From the weekly chart, Tron is still trending. We have an ascending triangle right now in the market in Tron. We're going to hold that there because I like that. So now let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame real quick. Look at this on the 5-day chart, and I'm a little bit bullish into the market in Tron, but not massive. Now, if I were to put that on a percentage base, I would say that I'm like 55 to 60% bullish and the rest is bearish from a probable basis. So I'm still going to be bullish into the market in Tron, but rather than me looking for price to run to 8 cents right now, I'll just have to do it around 7 and then 0.072 right now, because I know that that's the most important price level for the buyers. And in order for me to maintain and get more bullish, I need to see price in Tron break that. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. And I am through. We're going to go ahead and be bullish into the market in Tron. But like I said, I'm not going to be massively bullish. Okay. 7 cents is going to be my first target. It's around 5.5%. And then my second target is going to be where we've already been, 0.072 back there in mid-February. Okay. Now, as long as Tron holds this particular area right here, we're going to look for the market to go higher, or at least the probability is still there. Okay, now price breaks 0.061, then the probability that Tron is going to run all the way back up to 0.072 is diminishing. It's not really there. The market is definitely gaining more weakness than it is strength. Okay, so I am done. Welcome to the channel. Everyone who is new, go ahead and drop me your price target in the market in Tron without the confusion. Where do you think the price is going to be as we trade throughout the month of March and going into April? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.